என் பேர் பிரஸ்னா தாஸ். நான் MSys டெக்னாலஜிஸ்ல as a software engineer ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
My name is Mangaraj Nalla. I'm working as an associate engineer in Collaborate Engineering Solution.
నేను కాప్రస్ ఐటీని చూస్ చేసుకుని ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ డెవలపర్గా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నా.
టాప్ మోస్ట్ కంపెనీలో డెవలపర్గా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఇన్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికా.
Amazon doing another round of layoffs.
Mark Zuckerberg's year of efficiency back in focus this morning after another round of sweeping layoffs and job cuts.
It seems to be getting harder to get hired.
NxtWave has been fantabulous, I would say.
Very strongest partners that we have ever worked with.
The candidates, whoever we had, they've been really trained well.
Experienced the magic, realizing the magic of AI.
I build my own AI application.
I received an internship offer from a product-based company.